We are walking across the Humming Bridge. We're on our way to the fabric store. I decided to walk because it literally feels good as shit. Like, it feels amazing outside. It is still the winter time, but it feels great. So I need the exercise. I haven't been to the gym in about a week, so this is my exercise. The fabric store is literally one block. Well, once the street, the very first street, once I get to Kentucky side, it's the first block. But on my way home, my apartment building is 2 blocks from once I get off the bridge. So I never actually really need to take the bus or anything, or take a lift. I just choose to. It's winter, it's cold, but I don't need to because it feels good right now. And get all this good sunlight in. I am dressed properly though. I have on the bag that I did a DIY on. Go watch that video. I'll put it in the cards as well as the description box. But yeah, my phone's about to die, so I can't vlog too much on my way there. Plus I'm almost there. I'll be there in like 5 minutes and I'll vlog once I get in there. I need to save my battery so I can have some life on my phone to record. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera and give y'all some scenes, some scenery. Give y'all a little scenery. Alright y'all, so I'm basically across the bridge. That's Kentucky, that's the Cincinnati side. I live right here somewhere. Right there, you can't quite see it, but it's right there somewhere. This bridge is actually closed down for work, so no drivers are on it. There's some workers down here, but that is Cincinnati and Covington. That's Newport down there. I'll get more footage if I decide to walk back. I randomly decided to release a swimsuit collection tomorrow, so I'm basically about to be up all night sewing it together because I don't want to be sewing tomorrow. I have a lot of homework I need to get done by Thursday, so I need to do all of that tomorrow. Here's the orange that I cut out so far over here. I cut the orange out so far right here. About to cut it out in green, as well as this little where is it? Yeah, this little purple right here. And it kind of gives me like the vibes of she wore an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. They didn't have yellow, so we gonna go with she wore itsy bitsy teeny weeny green, orange, and purple polka dot bikini girl. So yeah, I'm about to get this stuff sewn together because I want to release it tomorrow. And then I also need to finish this bodysuit tomorrow. I have to cut out a gold dress tonight as well and sew that together by tomorrow. I'll probably have her come at like 4 o'clock because I'm gonna be tired because I'm gonna be up all night. But I'm about to get some coffee too, so yeah. I don't know, probably when I get to the purple one, I want to cut the green one out really, really fast and then just record when I get to the purple. So I'm not going to record just yet. So I'm not going to record myself cutting out the green. I'm going to record myself cutting out the purple because I really want to hurry up and get it done so I can go to bed. So I'm about to hurry up and cut the green, and then I'm going to record myself cutting out the purple. right, y'all, so I have everything cut out except for the purple of these tops. I did forget and I cut out the straps first, so I didn't have enough. I have to go back and get more. That's all the scraps I have over there, but I'm about to cut out the gold. But I am about to sew all this together so I can post it by 5 o'clock today. Yeah. Good morning, girls. Welcome back to my channel. It is day 2. So it basically took me 2 days to do this swimsuit collection, and I am just down to doing straps. I have about 20 something straps to do. So I am up, y'all. It is 7, well, it's maybe 8 o'clock in the morning now. I did get up at 7, you know, to eat, brush my teeth and stuff like that before I came to my sewing machine, because I knew I was going to be at my sewing machine all day. I have class today, and then my new fabrics for high demand wardrobe comes in today. So I'll be sewing all day, and then tonight I'll be actually cutting out everything I need for high demand wardrobe. So I am excited about that, you guys. So yeah, definitely excited. I just came in to tell you guys that little bit, but I am about to reposition the camera so that you guys can actually see me sewing and what I'm sewing. So yeah, I'm about to time lapse it. To be adding my straps, which I have right here. to all the tops. I have my elastic on the bottoms, and then I also have the shorts for the smalls made. I just have to go through and do the mediums and large still, but I have all the smalls together, which I'm gonna do for a little promo shoot. And then I